Are you looking for the best cordless Dremels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless Dremels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Dremel 8220 Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This is the top Dremel rotary tool yet based on its overall performance, customer satisfaction, and the power that it offers to tackle different jobs. Its construction is sturdy to withstand regular jobs and to avoid corrosion from debris when working. It comes with 28 accessories including a fiberglass reinforced cutoff wheel, aluminum oxide grinding stone, polishing wheel, and sanding bands. This is a wide range of appliances for carrying out hobbies and professional work. Dremel 8220 12 volts battery can produce almost the same power offered by a corded rotary tool. This makes it one of the most potent rotary tools in the market. The battery takes only 1 hour to charge, which minimizes downtime. To eliminate the waiting time, you can choose the package that comes with 2 batteries. The 12 volts battery powers up the high-performance motor to run at speeds of between 5,000 to 33,000 RPM. This variable speed is usually set depending on the material you're working on. It creates versatility as this power combined with the right accessory can be used for grinding, cutting, shaping, and sharpening soft, hard metallic surfaces, wood, and plastics. Dremel EZ Twist Nose Cap allows quick accessory changes. This saves you time when working on your project. It has no flaws as long as it's used the right way, i.e., right accessory and speed to cut specific material. At number 4. Dremel 8100N 21 Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 8100 is another excellent product from this top brand. It's less potent than the 8220, but it still delivers enough power to carry out the required task. It has robust housing which can withstand a significant amount of abuse when working. Its casing is padded for a comfortable grip when working. This rotary tool comes with 21 accessories including a cutoff wheel, silicone grinding stone, aluminum oxide grinding stone, polishing wheel, compound, drum sander, and sanding bands, among others. Each of these accessories is strong and makes your work easy. Dremel 8100 uses an 8 volts lithium-ion battery which holds power longer than the regular NiCad battery most rotary tools use. The battery has a 1-hour charging time, which reduces downtime when working. The 12 volts battery powers up the high-performance motor to provide speeds of between 5,000 to 30,000 RPM. This variable speed helps to work on materials at the right pace and power to make work easier. Its integrated nose cap uses EZ Twist technology, which allows faster accessory changes saving you time when working. The only problem faced with this model is that the switch clogs up with dust because it's not sealed. At number 3. Dremel 8050N 18 Micro Rotary Kit. When portability is your main concern when choosing a Dremel rotary tool, then Dremel 8050 is the one for you. It features a small ergonomic design that is light, portable, and easy to handle. Its size makes this tool perfect for accessing small spaces. It comes with 18 accessories including a high-speed cutter, engraving cutter, felt polish wheel, stainless steel brush, fiberglass reinforced cutoff wheel, and silicon carbide stone to mention just a few. The 8050 comes with an 8 volts lithium-ion battery that is smaller and has no memory effects. It comes with a docking station to charge your battery and make sure it's always full when required. The charging time for this battery is 3 hours 45 minutes, which makes its downtime long. This means that this rotary tool is not suitable for an all-day project, but it's excellent for small home projects. Its motor runs at variable speeds of between 5,000 to 28,000 RPM. This is not as powerful as the top Dremel rotary tool, but it's enough to carry out most projects. Dremel 8050 has front-end LED lighting, which illuminates your project when working. It also has LED variable speed indicators and a fuel gauge, which makes it easy to use. At number 2. Dremel 7701 15th MultiPro. Dremel 7700 MultiPro features a lightweight body that enables easy portability and use. This rotary tool runs on a 7.2 volts NiCad battery pack, which gives it enough power to work with most materials. It has a 3 hours charging time. The battery is removable, which means you can switch out the batteries when they deplete their charge to eliminate the downtime. It runs on 2 speeds, i.e., 10,000 RPM and 20,000 RPM. These speeds are powerful to cut and polish most equipment around your workshop or at home. Make sure it can handle the material you work with before purchasing. It comes with 15 different accessories which include heavy-duty emery cutoff wheel, a high-speed cutter, silicon carbide grinding stone, and sanding drums, among others. All these accessories are designed to work with specific materials to produce desired effects. On the downside, this rotary tool uses a wrench to switch out accessories, which takes time. It has low torque. At number 1. Dremel 7300N 8 MiniMite Cordless Rotary Tool. The Dremel 7300 MiniMite features a light but sturdy plastic housing, which makes this tool easy to carry around and to use. It runs on a removable battery which powers the 4.8 volts rotary to run at 2 different speeds. These speeds are 6,500 RPM and 12,000 RPM. The battery takes 3 hours to get fully charged. This downtime is inconvenient if you're working on urgent projects. It comes with 8 accessories and a wrench. The accessories include silicon carbide grinding stone, grit sanding drum with mandrel, felt polishing wheel, grit sanding band, and mandrel. The wrench is used to switch out the accessories with ease. The power and accessories provided. You can purchase more compatible accessories. Work well for light-duty and heavy-duty sanding, grinding, polishing, and sharpening of most materials. This Dremel has several flaws: low torque, limited uses due to 2 fixed speeds, and lengthy downtime. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.